Yes, one more question. Write down on previous result. After that, we'll come on next result. Find the coordinate of the vertices of a square. Find the coordinate of the vertices of a square inscribed in a triangle with vertices A 0, 0, with vertices A 0, 0, B 2, 1, and C is 3, 0. Given that two of its vertices are on the side AC. Two of its vertices are on the side AC. I repeat the question. Find the coordinate of the vertices of a square inscribed in a triangle with vertices A 0, 0, B 2, 1, C 3, 0. Given that two of its vertices are on the side AC. So make the diagram please, then it will be more clear. This is point A given in this case, it is 0, 0. Second point B, C is given 3, 0. यहाँ कहीं आएगा C 3, 0. B comes 2, 1. So 2 यहाँ कहीं आएगा, 1 यहाँ कहीं आएगा. ये आपका, ये point आपका 2, 1. This is point C here, and this is point B. So this is the triangle we have. In this triangle, we will be having a square which has two of its vertices here. यहाँ दो vertex हैं, AC पे कह रहा है ये, इसका मतलब square इस तरह का. This is the square we have. Let this be point P, this is Q, this is R, and this is S. Now my question is, find the coordinate of vertices of a square. Means I need the coordinate of P, Q, R, and S. This is the question we have. Question is, find the coordinate of P, Q, R, and S. इन चारों के coordinate आपको बताने हैं क्या होंगे. So what we do in this case, let this length be A. Then if it is A, what does coordinate come out to be? A, 0. Let the length of this square be L. Side of each is L. Then what the coordinate of this will come out to be? A plus L, 0. Okay, now we have this coordinate. ये coordinate क्या होंगे? ये A है length, ये L है कि नहीं है? जब ये length L है तो ये भी L है, ये भी L है, ये भी L है. तो ये coordinate क्या बने? A, L हो गया. ये length पूरी A और ये length आपकी L. What the coordinate of R will be? ये लेंथ तो इसका x कोऑर्डिनेट हो गया a plus l,
a plus l comma r l l l sorry l
a plus l comma l. So I got the coordinate a comma 0, a plus l comma 0, a plus l comma l, a and l. These are the four coordinates we got. Now my question is find what is a and l. If a and l is known, all the four coordinates will be known to you. Now just check here. Whatever this line you have, will that satisfy a comma l?
Yes, sir.
So can you get the equation of this line? First find out equation of line AB. Equation of line AB calculate करें हम. तो AB की equation अगर निकालेंगे तो पहला काम slope of AB calculate करें. What it will come out to be slope of AB? 1 minus 0 by 2 minus 0 come out to be 1 by 2. Then equation will be 0, 0 are the coordinates from where it is passing. Y minus 0 will be half x minus 0. Or I should say 2y is equal to x. This is equation 1. This equation will satisfy a comma l. So if it will satisfy a comma l, what I get here? Twice of l comes out to be a. ये हमारे पास एक condition आ गई. Clear? Same way when you take this equation, BC, who will satisfy a plus l comma l will satisfy. So can I get BC equation? Find out. So slope of BC first I calculate.
Minus.
Slope of BC, that will be 0 minus 1 by 3 minus 2. That will be minus 1. Then what is the equation of this line? ये point ले सकते हैं, चाहो तो ये ले सकते हैं, जो लेना चाहो वो ले लो. ये ले लें. Y minus 0 will be minus 1 x minus 3. So I got it y is equal to minus x plus 3.
X plus y.
Or I should have x plus y comes out to be 3. Which point will satisfy here? ये point satisfy कर रहा है a plus l comma l. So can you put it here? A plus L plus of L come out to be 3. So I got it A plus 2L comes out to be 3. 2L is given as A.
2A.
So A plus A comes out to be 3. 2A comes out to be 3. That means what is A coming now? 3 by 2. If A is known, then L be calculated.
3.
L कितना हो जाएगा? 2L is A. So 2L is 3 by 2. So L comes
3
out
by
to
4.
3 by 4. Yes. Now you got A, you got L. So can you write down all the coordinates?
Yes.
ये पहला कोऑर्डिनेट क्या था? P का a, 0 तो 3 by 2, 0.
Yes, sir.
ये कोऑर्डिनेट है a plus l, a plus
0.
3 by 2 plus 3 by 4, 0. जो भी है सॉल्व करके आप निकाल सकते हैं. a l यहाँ भी प्लेस कर देना, यहाँ प्लस a plus l and l कर सकते हैं. So anyway you can solve it, you can get your answer. Is it clear? So all the 4 points I can calculate. Next question, another NCERT problem we have. Write down please. ये last question है इस exercise का जो मैं दे रहा हूँ. बाकी आप लोग कर सकते हैं, कोई ऐसी problem नहीं है. A line is such that a line is such that a line is such that its segment between the lines, 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0 is bisected at the point 1, 5. is bisected at the point 1 comma 5. Obtained equation of this line. Obtain what is the equation of this line. Please do it. A line is such that the segment between the lines this and this is bisected at point 1 comma 5. Obtain its equation. These are the two lines we have. I'm not saying they are parallel. Anyway, they can have. So this line is 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Another line is 3x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. One line is here, which is bisected between these two lines at 1 comma 5. Means if this line intersects the first line at A, another line at B, then bisected means this is the midpoint. Midpoint we have 1 comma 5. ये वाला part इसके equal है. Now my question is, what is the equation of this line? You should find out. So to get equation, you need 2 points. On this line, how many points known? 1 point is clearly visible, but second and third, ये दो हैं, 2 point में से कोई भी एक point आप निकाल लें. Whatever 1 point you calculate will give the equation. So my aim is to calculate either A or B. So I should calculate what is A coordinate or B coordinate, any one coordinate if known to us. Then I have AP will be or BP will be giving the line slope, and you can get the equation. So how to start this question? Just check here. Let this coordinate be x1, y1. This coordinate will be x2, y2. Agree on this? And as 1 comma 5 is the midpoint of it, so what does it mean?
X1 plus x2 is 2.
x1 plus x2 by 2 will be 1. Same way, y1 plus y2 by 2 comes out to be 5. So I got it, x1 plus x2 is coming 2 and y1 plus y2 is coming 10. These are the two relations we got. Clear? Then x1, y1 will satisfy this also or no? X1 and y1 will satisfy this equation also. So I should say 5x1 minus y1 plus 4 is coming 0. X2, y2 will satisfy here. So I get it thrice of x1. Sorry, x2.
Plus 4y2.
Plus 4y2 minus 4 is coming 0. These are the two equations we got more. These are the two already known. Now what I do here, I want either x1, y1 or x2, y2 to be calculated. So what I do here, if it is x1, y1 and if it is also coming in x1, y1, then you can solve these two equations easily. If this is an x1, y1, this is also becoming x1, y1, then you can solve it. And how you can do that? X2 is what? 2 minus x1, can I write here?
Yes.
What about y2? 10 minus y1 I can write here. So what is the second equation? Now write down 3. x2. x2 I'll write as 2 minus x1 plus 4. What is y2? 10 minus y1. Minus 4 is coming 0. 6 minus 3x1 plus 40.
Yes, sir.
Minus 4y1 minus 4 is coming 0. Then x1 and y1 I'll take on this side, so it will come 3x1 plus 4y1. This is how much? 46 minus 4.
42.
42. So one equation is this, another is already known to you. Can you get x1, y1 now? Yes. So I just go for it. 5x1 minus y1 plus 4 is coming 0. Another is 3x1 plus 4y1
minus 2.
minus 42 is coming 0.
ऊपर वाले को 4 से
Now we will simplify it. इसको ये कह रहे हैं 4 से multiply कर दो. Okay. Then when you add it, it will be 5 4s are 20 plus 3. So 23x1. ये आपका कट जाएगा, right? ये दोनों टर्म कटेंगी. Then it will be 16 plus of 16 minus 42 is coming 0. Right?
26.
How much it is coming? 23 minus, sorry, 23x1 minus कितना आएगा? 26 या 36?
8 minutes.
26 ही आएगा?
26 आएगा.
Equal to 0. So x1 comes out to be 26 by 23. As you got x1, I get y1 also now. Y1 I get from here. What is y1? Y1 will be 5x1 plus of 4. Then I'll write 5 into x1. x1 is what? 26 by 23 plus of 4.
133.
Now when you solve it, y1 comes out to be LCM is 23. 5 6 are 33. 5 2s are 10 and 3 13. 130 plus 23 into 4. 4 3s are 12. 1 4 2s are 8 and 1 9 96.
92.
Right? So how much it will be? 212
Yes, sir.
by 23. So I got the coordinate.
2 होगा शायद.
Check करो.
Triple 2.
1 3 0 and 92. So 2 9 3 12. Yes, 2 2 2 आएगा. So I got the x1 coordinate is what? 26 by 23. And y1 coordinate will be 222 by 23. And p point is 1 comma 5. So can you get the equation now? First find out what is slope of AP and then one of the point you will use. Please find out the slope here. Calculate it. What is the slope of this line now? Slope of AP is this minus this, that is 222 by 23 minus of 5 divided by 23 by 26 by 23 minus 1. यही होगा? कितना हुआ ये? 222.
Sir, 107 upon 3.
3 yes. 115.
ये 115 आएगा. Whole divided by 23. This will be 26 minus 23 by 23. Cancel out. ऊपर आ रहा है 117. 107. Okay. 107 by 3. So now I can get the equation of this line AB. What equation of line AB says? Y minus y1. I'll take this one. Not better. This is a complicated one. I'll take this. Y minus 5 is 107 by 3 x minus 1. That's all. This is the equation we have. So not a difficult question, but only the calculation may be slightly difficult. Now write down next intercept form of a line. Next topic, write down please. Intercept form of a line. Intercept form of a line. Let's check here. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. And we have, this is one line. And let this line makes an intercept of length A on x-axis. This is the intercept we call. I told you wherever this line cut the x-axis from this to origin, that is the intercept on x-axis. And here this length is B. My question is, you find out what is equation of this line. Whatever knowledge you have, please find out the equation by that. Till now, you got the knowledge.
Both the lines.
Huh? This line's equation I want, which is making intercept of length A on x-axis, intercept B on length on y-axis. My question is, you find out the equation of this line. Whatever previous knowledge you have, that will work in this case, nothing new. Yes, Yukti, how will do it? Anyone?
Sir, area of triangle.
No area of triangle needed, no. For a line, what you need, either you need a slope or an intercept on y-axis, or 1 point and slope, or 2 point. Is the 2 point visible to you? Simple question. A comma 0 is this point. This is 0 comma B.
Comma B.
Find out the equation of this line. Please find out.
Yes, sir.
2 points are already known to you. Find out the equation of line AB. First, find out what is slope of AB. Slope of AB.
The slope is minus B by A.
Yes, 0 minus B by A minus 0. That is minus B by A is the slope. Right. And point anyone you can take, either A0 or 0B. That is your choice. So what equation comes? Y minus Y1. That is 0. Minus B by A x minus A. Now when you solve it, equation come out to be AY is minus BX plus of AB. Or I should say BX plus AY comes out to be AB. And then you can write this equation as BX by AB plus AY by AB comes out to be 1. B and B get cancelled out. I got it X by A plus Y by B come out to be 1. This is called intercept form of a line. X by A plus Y by B equal to 1. X by A plus Y by B X by A plus Y by B equal to 1. This is the equation of line we have, where what is A? A is the length of intercept on x-axis, B is the length of intercept on y-axis. So if I'll give you intercept on x-axis as well as on y-axis, the equation come out to be X by A plus Y by B equal to 1. So A and B will be known to you. You can get the equation. Write down first question, please. Find the equation of line. Find the equation of line which cut off an intercept. Which cut off an intercept. Which cut off an intercept 4 on positive direction of x-axis. Cut off an intercept 4 on positive direction of x-axis and intercept 3 on negative direction of y-axis. Intercept of 3 on negative y direction. Please try.
3x minus 4y is equals to 12.
Yes. Simple question, not a difficult one.
हाँ,
3x minus 4y equal to 12. That is the answer we have. Very simple question. Question says the line makes an intercept of length. How much?
4 on positive x-axis.
4 on positive x-axis. Okay. And ये positive 4 x-axis हो गया. X-axis पे positive 4. यही कह रहा है?
3 on negative y-axis.
And y पे negative 3. So it will be minus 3 somewhere here. So the line goes like this. And if you have the line like this, then what is A? A is clearly 4. B will be minus 3 this time. So what is my equation? X by 4 plus y by minus 3 coming out to be 1. And when you solve it, it will come out to be LCM is minus 12. So minus 3x plus 4y come out to be 1. Or I should say minus 3x plus 4y is minus 12. Minus sign you can take common and cancel it for both sides. 3x minus 4y is 12. Another question please. Find the equation of straight line. Find the equation of straight line which makes equal intercept on the coordinate axis and passing through point 2, 3 and passing through point 2, 3.
So line equation.
Yes, you have to find out the equation of a line which makes equal intercept on the coordinate axis and passing through 2, 3.
X plus y is 5.
Line is passing through 2, 3 makes equal intercept. So this is A, then this is also A. Then equation which you will write will be x by
So
A
intercept
plus
given 5.
1, right? X by A plus y by A comes out to be 1. Or I should say x plus y comes out to be how much? A. And this line passed through 2, 3, so 2, 3 will satisfy here. So I got it 2 plus 3 is coming A. So A is coming 5 here. So what is my equation? X plus y is 5. That is the answer. Next question please. Find the equation of straight line which passes through point 4, minus 2. Find the equation of line which passes through point 4, minus 2 and whose intercept on y-axis is twice that on x-axis. Whose intercept on y-axis is twice as intercept on x-axis. Please try.
A or 2 B or
Passing through which point? 4,
4, minus 2.
4, minus 2. कहाँ आएगा भाई 4, minus 2?
मतलब ऐसे हो जाएगा।
लाइन
Sir,
कैसे
6.
आनी?
ऐसा नहीं
Sir,
चलो
6.
कहीं भी आती है हमें कोई मतलब नहीं है 4, minus 2 हो गया राइट 4, minus 2 यहाँ आएगा पॉइंट यहाँ भी तो लिख सकते हैं 4, minus 2 यहाँ आ गया एंड व्हाट इट
Sir,
सेज
6 आएगी क्या वैल्यू?
6 is the value. What it is?
Sir, 3. Sorry, sir, 3.
3. And now it says the x-intercept is double than y or y is double than x?
Sir, y-intercept is double x.
Y-intercept is double than x. यही कह रहा है, तो अगर इसका इंटरसेप्ट a है तो इसका क्या होगा? 2a. Question says intercept on y is twice on x axis. ठीक है, y का intercept double है as compared to a. So we will have the equation x by a plus y by 2a comes out to be 1. And it is passing through 4 comma minus 2, so it will satisfy 4 comma a, 4 by a plus minus 2 by 2a comes out to be 1. This 2 get cancelled out, I got it 4 by a minus 1 by a. Comes out to be 1, a is here, 4 minus 1 is 1, so a is coming 3 here. And if a is coming 3, so I'll put 3 here, here it is 6. So it will be equation x by a, that means x by 3 plus y by 6 come out to be 1. Next question please. Find the equation of straight line whose intercept on x-axis and y-axis, whose intercept on x-axis and y-axis are respectively twice and thrice, is twice and thrice as of those line which is given by 3x plus 4y equal to 12. You want the equation of that line whose intercept on x-axis is double that of this, and y-axis will be 3 times of it. Whatever it is making intercept, this line is making intercept on x-axis and y-axis. We want a new line whose intercept on x-axis will be double than this, and y-coordinate or y-intercept will be thrice of this. This is the question we have.
12 for each.
पहला काम फाइंड आउट व्हाट इंटरसेप्ट इट मेक, तो उसके लिए पहला काम इक्वेशन होती है x by a plus y by b is 1, तो यहाँ 1 आना चाहिए. So I write this as 3x by 12 plus 4y by 12 coming 1. That means x by 4, y by 3 is coming 1. When you have new line, what the intercept it will make? X intercept is double. यहाँ 4 है तो यहाँ क्या आ जाएगा 8. What about y intercept?
9.
इसका 3 times हो गया तो 9 come out.
3x plus 4y.
Why 3x plus 4y?
36 is equal to 36.
Which one is 36?
नहीं सर 3x इक्वेशन जो बनेगी सर वो
इसकी
3x
तो
plus 4.
इसको तो आपने हटा दिया.
इसके
Now I want a new equation whose x
हाँ
intercept
नहीं इसके अंदर 3x plus 4y is equal to 36.
y intercept is 3 times. तो यहाँ 3 times करेंगे तो ये 9 हो जाएगा and this will be.
यस सर तो वही बता रहा हूँ मैं.
फिर 36 कहाँ रहा है इसमें?
9x plus 8 plus 7.
Why it is 36 here? 72 LCM आएगा ये तो. 9x plus 8y is 1. So answer is 9x plus 8y is 72. Right? Next question, please. Find the equation of line. Yes. Find the equation of line passing through point 2, 3. Find the equation of line passing through point 2 comma 3 so that the line segment intercepted between coordinate axes. Lines intercept between the coordinate axes is bisected at this point. Is bisected at this point. Read the question carefully and try to make the diagram. Find the equation of line whose intercepted part between the coordinate axis, ये intercepted part है between the coordinate axis, is bisected at point 2 comma 3. Means this point has to be midpoint. ये आपका midpoint होना चाहिए. Then what should be the equation of this
सर एक बार
line?
वापस बता देंगे क्या?
Question is find the equation of line which pass through 2 comma 3 and the portion intercepted between the coordinate axis is bisected at this point. Means ये आपका intercept, this is the intercept you have between the coordinate axis, and where it is bisected means at this point it will be the midpoint. So this point is 2 comma 3, which is the midpoint we have. So this is midpoint. Now you want A and B to be calculated and find out the equation. What the coordinate of this I'll take? A0. This I'll take 0 comma B. As it is a midpoint, I should say 0 plus A by 2 will be 2. Right or no?
Yes.
Then B plus 0 by 2
Is 3.
is 3. Then I got A is coming 4, B is coming 6.
By
So what is my equation? X by 4 plus Y by 6 comes out to be 1. Equation will be X by 4 plus Y by 6 comes out to be